I have trouble being a salesman. And that's because by nature, I'm more of a teacher than I am a salesman. This I can sell all day, every day. And I tell people this is the most important article in the entire store. Because with this, once you have a sharp knife, this will keep it sharp forever. This and an eraser to clean it with every so often. And I can do that and do that, but $100 hard Arkansas stone, I have a difficult time selling it. I sold them for years, but I always felt guilty because I knew that the people who bought them would not be able to use them effectively without somebody to teach them and then for them to use a lot of practice. That's why this is such a great item. You don't have to practice. You just have to learn to hold it straight up and down. Now, in almost 40 years, I've found 3 people in my store incapable of maintaining a straight up and down posture. They'll put it flat, they'll put it at a right angle, and everywhere in between, and they cannot make it the same from side to side. All you have to do is pretend you're cutting to the center of the world. And then you're holding it the same. And here's the thing. You take your grandmother's old kitchen knife and straighten the edge from where she used to do it around and around in the middle until she's got a big bow in the middle of the cutting edge. Straighten that out, sharpen it, and then use the knife, come in and hit it 1 stroke each side before you put it away, and not in a drawer loose, but on a magnet or in some kind of protective cover. And the next time you want it, it's razor sharp. And you use it, and when you finish, you clean it off, 2 strokes, and the next time you want it, it's razor sharp. And that's true with a $15 modern knife of only not even medium carbon steel, but it works forever if you do it that way. It works as good as the best $150 knife. Now, diamond stones, well, I was in the business of cutting and selling Arkansas stones all through the 60s. Well, from 65 until probably 75. And then Louis Graves walked in with his ceramic sharpener, which he trademarked crock stick. And once he made it for me with a 30-degree angle, I had something I could really believe in and sell.